Living with Jigsaw. I don't know how this is gonna go. Because we all know how the last one went. And I don't know. I don't know. Just gotta mentally prepare for this. Gotta try to get through it. God help us. Living with Jigsaw.
So, what's it like living with Jigsaw?
Not as cool as I thought it would be.
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to take a shower, so...
The toilet has been clogged with 2 ply paper towels and dirty socks. If you do not fix it in the next 27 seconds, it will overflow, covering your personal electronic devices in filthy toilet water. To reach them, you must walk barefoot across a floor covered in razor blades.
Damn. Damn.
The clock is ticking, Gary. Make your choice. The wine in both your glasses has been replaced with the blood of a 3-toed sloth.
What do you want? Awake. What?
You are completely surrounded by armed mousetraps. The keys to your car have been force-fed to Bingo. You must retrieve them in the next 5 minutes using any weapon of your choosing from this open drawer, or you will not make it to the office on time. The choice is yours, Harry. Will you take the life of your best friend, or be late to work for the 4th time this week?
You've had it with parenting, but wait, there is a solution.
What the fuck? She about to put the baby in
the
the...
latest, most effective tool for child tantrum prevention. It's simple. Just
Baby.
douse around with sleepy time formula.
Go to bed, baby.
I'm about to put the baby in a... What the fuck?
Gently for
Shit is foul, so. Fucking stomach hurt again.
God damn, man.
Gary. You better miss around. He couldn't wait to raise his hands. As soon as he wake up.
Oh, you up? Okay, alright, good.
You better miss around.
Oh, fuck, man. Fuck. Damn.
You ever laugh so hard? Underneath your eyes hurt because your cheeks been raised the whole time.
Oh, man. What the fuck, man?
Gary.
Damn.
Gary.
Fucking got me again. Shit.
You can hear it in his voice. He can't wait for you to respond so he can raise his hands in the air.
Damn. Living with Jigsaw. Reaction. Get it out now. Yep. Yep. Get it all out now.
Fuck my whole day up.
Get it all out now. Cause you already know what's gonna happen.
Thank you, too polite.
Yep.
Squeaky ass buddy.
Gotta mentally prepare for this one.
Alright.